Understanding Second Opinion, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, second opinion. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning is key to mastering English. So, let's get started. Second opinion refers to the act of seeking an additional viewpoint or assessment, usually from a professional or expert, after receiving an initial opinion. It's commonly used in medical contexts but applies to other fields too. For example, if a doctor suggests a treatment, a patient might seek a second opinion from another doctor to confirm or explore other options. Seeking a second opinion can provide several benefits. 1. Confirmation. It reassures that the initial advice or diagnosis is appropriate. 2. Options. It offers alternative perspectives or treatments. 3. Peace of mind. It helps in feeling confident about the chosen course of action. Let's look at some examples. I wasn't sure about the mechanic's advice, so I got a second opinion from another technician. After receiving the diagnosis, she decided to seek a second opinion from a specialist. In many cultures, seeking a second opinion is considered wise and prudent. It shows that a person is thorough and thoughtful in making important decisions. However, it's important to approach it respectfully, especially in professional settings. Remember, seeking a second opinion is about ensuring the best possible outcome in any situation. It's a valuable tool in decision-making, both personally and professionally. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.